time of this. It's the time of sacrifice. It's a time of prayers. It's a time that we have to go around asking people to pray for our country as we go through difficult times like this. And you know, going around and visiting affords you opportunity of experiencing in real time what people are going through and what is happening, and asking for more and more prayers, because the country requires prayers. So I'm here today for that purpose.
So how do you think events like this help to foster unity, especially in the current landscape in Nigeria?
It is critical because it shows that we're just same, we're just human, we love each other. As you can see, coincidentally, the Ramadan fasting coincides with even the Christian fasting. These things shows love and unity, and going to make people understand that there's nothing different in all of us. We're the same. Like I always say, no religion buys bread cheaper, none buys fuel cheaper. It's everybody's. If there's a problem, it's a problem for everybody. Can you show me where Muslims buy bread cheaper so I can go there and buy? Can you show me where they buy rice and food cheaper? No. So these are critical things that we're all learning. We're all the same. It is critical that we love each other, we care for each other. So I've come here to support them in breaking the fast by probably, that's it.
So sorry, sir. To those people saying there's a political undertone to this, what would you say to them?
There's no election. I didn't come time of election. I would have come for when there was election. I came then when there's no election. Because I believe in this.
Okay, so
like I said before, it's not about election. Election doesn't make bread cheaper.
Okay, your Excellency,
okay.
You have gone around and you are still going around.
I'm still going around.
After your impression, if you gather all this impression, will this going to change your message? Because your message has been consistent.
It remains the same. Because if we are productive, people won't be suffering. I'm not desperate. I say it every day to be president of Nigeria. I'm desperate to see Nigeria work. I'm desperate to see a society where a child of nobody can be great, become somebody, be respected in the society, where we're all the same.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.